Hello. Mambo, get over here.
Wait, we have to go to our office, bro. Come here.
You have to go to the office again.
Okay.
And close this pop-up. There we go.
Stay.
Okay. Let's get in position.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Professional.
Yeah, we're professional streamers here.
Yeah, get the mic, Gotta get.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So, welcome back to the stream. Wait, where's my mic? I don't have. I'm not holding it.
Oh my, it's professional.
Hello. Welcome to the stream. We're gonna continue where we left off last time. Kinda, sort of, maybe a little bit. So last time we worked on. Where are we? I don't know. So last time we worked on the ownership sharing and like the kit generation kind of, or distribution more of. Can we do another stream day where you guys play Among Us? Maybe. If we can get enough like people to be interested in playing Among Us, then we might. It will probably be not soon. Maybe in a month or two or something. I don't know.
We're focusing on phasmo right now.
Yep. If you ever do, it's probably going to be posted in our Discord servers and on the community page of our YouTube.
If we ever do, it's also probably just gonna be the last one because like I don't wanna keep doing events for that project.
Yeah, so some of the systems in the Among Us game weren't that great, so it's kind of a pain to deal with some of them sometimes. So yeah, right now we're just focusing our attention on the next project because we gotta finish it in time for the next Redstone Awards.
Yeah, we gotta win.
Okay, so like I said last time, we worked on the kits distribution kind of and the sharing of items. Ah, nice. So yeah, so we'll be sharing information there if we ever do. We'll probably do one more event, but we're probably gonna leave it at one more.
Yeah,
probably.
So if you're not there, rip.
Okay. So yeah, today we're gonna start with something very exciting. We want to start working on the CGLU, which is the Central Game Logic Unit. It's the same name that we used for the one in the Among Us project. We're gonna start working on the Central Game Logic. So the CGLU, I can speak. For this project now. So we probably won't be doing like designing all the circuits for it just yet, but we do want to start planning it out a little bit.
Yes, and we have.
Thank you. We're trying.
Yeah.
We're gonna be showing you what we've been working on a little bit, but we haven't done too much redstone since the last stream.
I mean, we've done other things.
Yeah, we've been working on a couple of cool things. So, right now, I think I want to show what we did last time.
Well, we finished last stream.
Yeah, so last stream we worked on this thing, which was the distribution of the kits. So the shulker boxes would come in here, they would be put here on this block. That was one of the things. And the other thing was that you could share, like send and receive items. So last time we ended up finishing most of this part. And this circuit here, which I think I did.
Maybe we can demonstrate.
Yeah,
what it does.
Then after stream, we kind of finished it up a little bit. We changed how some of the logic worked, some of the timings, some of the control circuits, like the one over here, is completely different now. As well as that Mambo implemented these circuits here to put the items up in this barrel. And yeah, it took a while to debug and get fully working. But yeah, that is pretty much what we did last time.
Okay, so basically, wait, what color are you?
I'll be green.
Okay, I'll be red, right? So let's say I wanna sand over 2 carrots to lime. I can put it in the sand barrel, and then I put the address, which is lime, and I just click validate, right? And then it will slowly send the 2 carrots over into the receive barrel.
The main point of this being the way that it is that it also works if like anyone tries to send like at the same time, so multiple people can send something at the same time.
And then now you receive the 2 carrots.
Yeah, I did. And one of the other main things is because we could just have it like we could make this in a more efficient way. The reason why it's so big is because it needs to make sure that it works like no matter the order of people like putting items in at the same time, that it doesn't mix them up, as well as that it needs to transfer the actual ownership. So it needs to.
So for example,
it needs to detect exactly what item it is that you put in. So there's only going to be a certain amount of items, a set amount of items that you can put in. So for example, this salt can here would be one of the items you could put in. So if you put that in, it could get filtered here. So the system would know, okay, you can try to transfer your ownership of the salt can to pink, for example. So it would know, okay, the system in the back end would know that it has to take the salt owned by lime and transfer its ownership to pink, basically. That is why we need to run it through this entire system, make sure it's one at a time, so we're sure that we know
which item,
which shell it came from, and which one it's sending to.
Yeah.
And that's why we have.
Does the glass bottle work? Does the glass bottle work?
The glass bottle?
Yeah, the model on the glass bottle instead of the activator row.
No, I mean I can do that. Actually, this is a nice cue for me to show off something cool. So for the past couple days, I've been working on a mod. So you may or may not know that I already know that I made a mod already. It's called Redstone Essentials. It's been out for a while now. But yeah, I made another mod specifically for helping out with this project because peak mod, because we were yeah, good. I don't know Modrint. But yeah, we for this project we need to do a lot of resource pack stuff. This is basically like a redstone and resource pack. It doesn't have the .com at the end, but it's like but yeah, so we need to do a lot of resource pack stuff, and we need to basically share it with the other player all the time. So I've been working on this mod. Kind of has the Axiom UI. As you can see, it looks a lot like it. And basically, you can load a resource pack, and you can edit it in game. So I can go in here. I can go to any of these in the current resource pack. So I have this this salt can here. I can go in here. I can look for it. I know that it is salt T1 here, and over here I have the file, and I can just edit it and save it.
And then right now the sharing doesn't work. But
yeah, there's one bug with the sharing with other players, but I'm like 90%.
I mean, it partially works. It's just like if your file is too big, then it won't work.
Yeah, currently if the file you're trying to send is too big, it just crashes the game, kind of, sort of. It semi-crashes the game. But it's like, it's already like fixed in my development version. I just need to like merge it with the main version and then it'll be fixed. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. Oh, I just put a lot of spaces. So yeah, that's what I've been working on for the past few days.
But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
So like we've also been doing some custom models, right? To
Yeah, I'll go find some of them. Yeah, so if you're working on the custom models, I think we already showed some of them, like this one. This one is just ported
we've
straight
only
from the
shown
Among
the
Us
salt,
pack.
right?
I feel
Only
like we've
the
shown the
salt.
salts. This was the salt can. I think we showed this already, and you can put it down as the salt model. Because it's an activator rail, so you just place down the activator rail and has that model. Then this is the tier 2 variant.
But I grinded models and I made 10 more models.
This one needs to be tweaked a little because it should be transparent, but it's not.
That's just because you're using the wrong texture right now.
Yeah. Well, the wrong item. Then we have the matches here, which is actually a fire charge. And then let's see, what were the other ones? We already showed the crucifix, I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one you did.
We showed the crucifix. We showed. I think that's it actually. So the new ones, we have the glow stick over here. This one's really cool. Then we have the spirit box, tier 1, tier 2, and the tier 3 is not done yet. Then the writing book tier 1 and 2. Look at that pencil. That's really cool. And then what was the other one? The incense here. Look at that.
And then the incense is actually like you can actually throw it.
Yeah, because it's a lingering potion.
Yeah, and then there's your journal.
Oh yeah, the journal.
It's in here. It's in here.
Where is this? This one? No, that's nothing.
Can you? It's a book and quill.
What is this?
Is it not in there?
Oh, that's the thermometer. Right.
And the thermometer's broken.
Yeah, yeah, clearly.
But no, then it's a book and quill with like a custom model data of 1 or something.
Yep, there you go. The journal. Yeah, so that's the custom models we have so far. They're probably gonna be...
Is it this?
We're probably gonna have a lot more done for the next stream.
Is it this one?
Which one? Yeah, it's that one, yeah. Yeah, so we've been doing a couple of custom models. I've been working on the mod. And yeah. So we're gonna be starting working on the redstone again, like, this week. Including today, so... That'll be fun. So yeah, like I said before, today we wanna start doing a little bit of the CGLU planning.
If not, get started on it, possibly. Let's see.
We'll see about that.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
anyways, we have a spreadsheet for this.
yeah, we have a spreadsheet for this.
Mirror board. We have a mirror board. It's a mirror board.
Oh yeah, true.
And a spreadsheet too, but like whatever.
We also have a spreadsheet. We're just that organized, right, Mambo?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. Where was that again? There we go.
I sent it to you on Discord already.
No, I know, but I...
Do I need to add you on it?
Yes.
What the fuck does... Okay, wait. Send me your email on Discord again.
I sent the request already, so...
Oh, no, you should just let me open my email.
Alright.
There you go. Send it. You can join.
Yeah, that should work. Yep, there you go. Okay.
Throw it.
Yep, 1 second. Okay. Epic transition time, and it doesn't work. Why does it? Okay. Hold up. There we go. There we go. Technical difficulties. Okay. So we wanna get started on the CGLU this, so let's what am I saying?
Wait.
Let's start planning.
So this right now we have these, which are the main ones that are related to the game, and interactions. Wait, that goes in Ghost. So now we can like branch them out into like more specific things. Like for example, let me take another color. Right, the ghost also does interactions. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That might be a bit small.
It's fine.
I mean, we can just link them up, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so basically what we just want to do is we just want to like plan out the different parts of the CGLU a little bit. So the CGLU will just contain logic. So for example, what we mean by logic is like anything that happens like in the house visually is like just handled at that location in the house. But anything like on the back end, like for example, a ghost starting a hunt, a ghost interacting with something, it first needs to perform logic in order to do that, and that will all be handled in the CGLU.
So it's like kind of a processor, like in a computer, where all of the information goes there, and then it gets processed.
Yeah. So basically what we just need to do is we need to like figure out everything that the CGLU has to do, pretty much. So if I show the game again for a second, like that. If you look on the map, you'll see, for example, here we have this salt. So it's kind of complicated sometimes because the salt itself is most of the logic for the salt is just handled like close to it, like in its physical location in the map. But some of its logic, like for example, the ghost actually interacting with it, is a random chance. So that will most likely be done in the CGLU, or at least be related to it in some way. Especially also things like these SCOG sensors, which are for picking up sounds. For example, these ones on the corners are for photo camera, so those will basically figure out where in the room the player is when they take a picture, and use that to determine what they took a picture of, most likely. So for example, if they're standing here and they take a picture, and the ghost just so happened to interact with the writing book in that time span, then you can assume that the player was taking a picture of the book. I just broke it.
Bruh.
You can assume that the player is taking a picture of the book. And
it will always prioritize the highest, the one with the highest reward.
Yes. But we will also just when people are going to be playing, we're going to be telling them that if you want to take a picture of something, stand as close to it as possible. So if you want to take a picture of a burning crucifix, preferably stand on the block. It doesn't really matter, but stand on like very close to it.
We just triangulate the location of the player.
yeah, using these 3 sculk sensors on the corners. And then these other 3 sculk sensors are for other things. And we got that over here. So they're for these items. The boots are the cursed possessions. And then all the other ones, these, for example, are the incense. These are, this is for the firelight. And this is for the sanity medication. So those are in every single room, as you can see. And same for the photo camera ones, they're on the corners. And we only need 3 to triangulate the position. So yeah, all the data going out of these sculk sensors will go directly into the CGLU. And preferably we want to keep the CGLU as close to the map as possible. So right now, the spot we're aiming for is right here on the back of the house. Because there's not that much going on this side of the map. We couldn't, for example, fit it over here. We would have to like put it all the way down here, and then the wires would be really long.
And then if they go down, it's probably just worse. So
yeah, over here might work, but there is still quite a lot of stuff on these sides. Like there's a bone there, there's stuff going on.
We definitely want to minimize, like, we want to minimize the amount of, like, space, right, between, like, the communication space. Because the smaller it is, the faster it will be.
Yeah, and if you look at all of these lines, they're already going this way. So we're gonna try to put the CGIU over here on this side of the map. Because this is just an area with the least amount of stuff going on, if that makes sense. Yeah, okay. So I hope that clears things up a little bit for what the CGLU actually has to do. Definitely, like, anything ghost related will be done in the CGLU, because the ghost will be a player, but it will get all of its instructions on a map. And the CGLU
in a bit of common sense, like, I mean, you
yeah, a bit of common sense. Basically, the game will always look at like what's going on, and it will, you know, perform logic in the CGIU to determine what the ghost should be doing, and then it will, you know, send out information to the map so the ghost can read it and, you know, do whatever the map tells the ghost to do. So yeah, anything ghost related, interactions, events, hunts, all of the like back-end logic will be done in the CGIU. And so right now we're just gonna be planning out what that basically has to do. So yeah. I think Mambo is currently...
You can do the one under.
Interactions?
No, rooms.
Rooms? Oh, rooms. Okay.
And also, this doesn't include everything that is in the game, but more everything that has to be managed in the CGLU. Because everything that's in the game, we already have a list for it.
What do you want me to put in the rooms one, though?
Like temperature, ghost room, you know, everything that has to be known about a room.
Right. Okay. 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 That's fine. Let me put my tab back to it then. So Mambo is working on the ghost related stuff here, and then we got player and then rooms. So let me just copy some of these.
And then after we like expand, for example, interactions would be expanded into door, car alarm, everything. And it helps to visually seeing what we have to do.
Exactly. So, for example, what needs to be done in what does the CGLU need to know about rooms? So, for example, ghost room, it's pretty important. It also needs to manage the temperatures of every single room. I think we have a page on this in the documents.
Why are live states? Oh, you just copied that over.
What?
Nothing.
Did we put it in the document? Or in the spreadsheet?
What? Put what?
Like the... I mean, also just like the initial generation, so... The temperature management. And then... room stats, and that would be what? Okay, there you go. So room stats.
Wait, did I forget anything about the ghost?
Oh, okay. Gender, shyness, age, type, interactions, events, Hans name. Room stats. So that would be... Oh yeah, bone. That's one.
And then maybe like... you could also have stuff like... interactions as a category for that one, I think. Because, for example, like UV fingerprints, I would classify that as like part of an interaction. Right? That makes sense. Interactions or equipment, or I mean both maybe, because we might want to. I don't know if we need it for all equipment. I mean probably because you would like need to know if there's salt there, can if there's salt there and the ghost is not a wraith, then trigger the salt. If
yes,
it goes
so
over.
yeah, so there needs to be something like that. I just wanted to show what kind of what I'm doing right now. So if you saw what I was working on, I was working on the data that needs to be managed for the rooms. So that includes the temperature management. So every room will have an initial range of temperatures. So if it's the ghost room, it will obviously be very cold. But that also depends on if the ghost has freezing temperatures, because then it will be even colder. Well, in negative temperatures. But of course it fluctuates a little bit, so that's why it needs to generate temperature ranges. But then it also just needs to, manage the temperature. So it generated the ranges at the start, but then it needs to like constantly pick a value of that for it to, for the current temperature to be. So that's two things that it needs to do for the room. Another thing is generate the bone. So there's only one bone in the map, but it can be in almost every room. It can be pretty much everywhere in the real game, but we chose not to do it in this room for a couple of reasons. For example, if you look in this room in particular, you'll see that it's already very crowded with redstone. And the only thing we've added is the door systems. Because the doors need to keep track of when the players are walking through them. That's why the systems here are so complicated. And we need one of those for every single door. So, because this room has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors, it's very crowded in here. So yeah, for that reason, we decided not to put a bone in this room. And I think there's one more somewhere. But I don't remember. No, there's one here.
What do you mean one more somewhere? Like another room without a bone?
Yeah, maybe
Bathroom.
maybe not. Oh yeah, the bathroom. Yeah. Same story for the bathroom here. This room is really small. We even extended it a block in this direction. You might notice that if you play Phasmo a lot. Because the scale's a little bit off here. But even still, there isn't that much space in here. Because it's only like this little area here. And we already need these 2 items and this item here, as well as salt here. So yeah, it's
very
already
hard to come out
crowded enough. So there's not a bone in the bathroom, and there's not a bone in this room here. So it's the only 2 exceptions. But yeah, that's that's the only 2 exceptions for the rooms, and that's the bone. And then there's a couple other things that the CGLU needs to manage for the rooms, but most of the things are a little bit like shared between other categories. For example, interactions is kind of shared between the rooms category and the ghost category. Closely related, but not exactly the same. For example, the ghost side of things would be more what room is the ghost in, and the actual like thing that randomizes whether it interacts with something or not. And then the room inside of the interaction is actually like the processing of what that interaction needs to do and how it needs to affect the room. And same goes for events. The actual the actual chance of an event occurring and like all the conditions that come with it, those are all in the ghost category from the of the CGLU. But the flickering of the lights, sometimes the lights turns red, and all the other stuff that that events do visually in the map, that's handled by the room side of the CGLU. So it's kind of split into sections. And each section of the CGLU has its own purpose. So you have the ghost section, the room section, the player section.
I think you're repeating yourself a little bit.
What?
You're repeating yourself just a little.
Just a little bit, but I want to make myself clear, so. Yeah. Why are you pasting weather in that much? we don't need that. We don't need that many
weather control.
Weather controls. Just
you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I feel like rooms only needs like events. There you go. There we go. So yeah, we already did quite a bit of the planning. See, the ghosts main categories are like done now. Okay, so also in the player category, you'll see equipment ownership. This is kind of what we talked about last stream with the ownership system. We already made most of that. As you can see here, we have the actual like interface for transferring ownership. But you'll see here, we have these outputs, because even though you basically transferred the item, it also needs to change what player that item is bound to in the CGLU, and that's what these lines are going to. And that's also what this ownership card here means. That's basically what that is. That would be like the receiving end of those lines. So of these lines here. So yeah. Oh, what did I just do there? Okay.
Do we care? Do we put stuff like EXP and stuff?
I mean, that is kind of... I mean, I don't
But
think so.
I'm
'Cause
just
it's
wondering if that
EXP, XP
is that
calculated
CGLU or
at
is
the end
that?
of the game.
Yeah, but is that CGLU or is that
No, I don't think that's
like
CGLU.
an external system? Like the shop map is not CGLU.
Yeah, I think it's the XP system should be external because XP is only
'Cause
calculated at the end of the game anyway.
Because like
So
stuff like memory and stuff is kind of outside.
yeah, true.
But
Yeah, so I think
hello, Bumble.
I think we should keep XP separate from the CGLU.
Okay.
But we might still wanna have some sort of outputs going out of the CGLU at the end of the game. Basically, like sending all the things the player have done. I mean, if we do add it to the CGLU, we might as well give it like its own category.
Yeah, I guess sort of.
Because like on the one hand, I think it could be a separate system, but on the other hand, it doesn't need to like have like take in a lot of the information only the CGLU has at the end of the game.
Mm-hmm.
So in that regard, it would be a better fit for a CGLU system. So it would be the XP management.
You can just say
Sure.
that's
yeah, so that, and then so for example, objective tracker or something to track like the optional objectives and all that.
like I guess, yeah. Are we including quests into that or
Yeah, I think so.
like weekly and daily?
Mm-hmm.
I wanna write that.
Yep, I will.
So the idea of this is to then like reformat it into like a sort of like section diagram where we can like see sort of where every part would go to see like what was the most optimal like parts like array layouts, yeah, for like fastest communication speed.
Yeah.
And maybe we would also consider compactness of systems internet. Like EXP kinda has to be somewhat external because
Yeah.
I mean it doesn't have to be fast, like because it can just it can always overlap the calculations with another game. But it's probably not. I mean, it's not even gonna be slow, anyways. I think. But yeah, and then
Yeah. So yeah, it like EXP can be external because the only thing that the EXP does is it sends its value for every player to a RAM, as well as like sending it to a display so the players can see what they did, like how much experience they got and for what. Like if they got the main objectives, if they completed any side quests, all that. So it doesn't have to interact with the map at all. So it can be like on the outer bounds of the CGLU. So like that, we can just look at this entire list, and you can just go, oh, okay, so we have the truck here. Well, the truck only needs to interact with itself pretty much, so that can be on the outer edge towards the side of where the truck is. EXP, we can just put that to any side where we have space pretty much, as long as it's like on the outer edge. And then anything that has to do with interacting with the map, which is, all the above, that has to be as close to the map as possible. Dependent on what it is, of course. Of course, some of this room stuff is only handled at the start of the game. Like, room stats are often only sent at the start of the game. The bone needs to be tracked if it's picked up or not, but it doesn't need to be regenerated every couple seconds. So that only needs to be done once. So that doesn't really matter if it takes a while to do that. So you can just like look through this list, and that way figure out where everything needs to go in the CGLU. Basically, that's the goal with this plan, with this method of planning.
And then also after we go through each one and assess specifically for the room what's important about interactions, and that might only be fingerprints. I mean, here in this case it's not, but like, what would be a good example? Let's see. Like, there was one. Equipment, yeah, equipment. Yeah. Equipment, for example, for rooms is not all equipment. I mean, it depends how you see it, but like, it could be kind of like separated into external equipment and also like what's actually there.
Yeah.
Like which ones you can place in that room. Like in the bathroom, you can't. In the bathroom, for example, you'll never be able to have. What is it? You cannot have? I think a motion sense. Oh, you cannot cleanse the ghost. You can slow it down, but you cannot cleanse it in a room. In the bathroom.
Yeah, that's true. For the same reason that I showed before, if we take a look at the bathroom again, and if you just look at how small the bathroom is, and if you had to put the same amount of equipment in such a small room as we do in, for example, the living room here. In the living room, we have enough space. We can move stuff around a little bit if we have to. We have plenty of space here, but that space is just not available in the bathroom. As you can see, there's only like a couple of blocks that have like nothing below them, and then like blocks like these have one air block before you start hitting other components. Of course, we can redesign some stuff like slightly to make a little bit more room, but it will stay difficult. Even with just this limited selection of items, it's going to be difficult to put all this in. But if you also had to like put in the cleansing abilities and all that, then it would be even more difficult. So that's why bathroom doesn't have it. But yeah, no, there's just like 1 in 10 chance. It was 10 rooms, right?
Oh, it's 11 rooms.
Oh, 11 rooms, that was it, yeah. There's a 1 in 11 chance that you get the bathroom as the ghost room. So if that does happen, then
is it 10? I can't remember.
That sucks, I guess.
Or 1 in 10. I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe it's because I'm counting the gardens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 10. So 1 in 10 chance.
Okay, yeah. But, I mean, you can still do stuff in it, and since it's such a small room, you might have the ghost wander out of it more often.
True. And also some stuff, like for example, I mean that's not a good example, but there is some stuff like that is like in an area around the ghosts, for example. So even if the ghost room is in the bathroom, you might still be able to get a lot of interactions on this door, for example, even though it's a little further away. But it still might still be in the interaction range, or this
Unless
door,
it's
for
like
example.
what, a shade, or there's one more ghost which doesn't like Fae? No, it's not a Fae. Which one's the one that doesn't like changing room and stuff?
No, but it's not like changing rooms, but they have an interaction range like around them. Like
Yeah, I know that, but okay, whatever.
so, like even if the bathroom doesn't have that many things, even if it's the ghost room, then you're not totally screwed. You still have options.
Definitely.
All right, you wanna? What do you still wanna do with the planning?
I mean, there's probably some stuff missing, like in the truck. It's missing a map. You can do the truck.
Okay, sure. All right, chat. Let's look at the truck. So, okay, so there's a couple things. First of all is some of this stuff over here. So you get the key from here. Doesn't need to be done by the CGLU because that's just one wire going to the door logic over here. That's so that just a wire from there to there, basically. So it doesn't need the CGLU for that. Then for opening and closing the door, it doesn't need the CGLU for opening, but for closing the door, that also has to end the game. So that does kind of need the CGLU. So if we go to the truck here, you're gonna go, okay, bye. Thank you for checking out the stream. Okay, so what we have to do is if they close the door, that has to send a signal to the CGLU to stop the game. So stop game on door close is something that has to be communicated with CGLU. Then next, let's see what else is there. Let's see. So we have the equipment over here, which leads to, you know, the kit generation over there. But that is, I would say that counts as the truck. So that means we need, oh, that's already kind of there. Equipment, kits gen. Okay. Map as in the for example the yeah, we have a couple maps actually. It's these here, they're just temporary maps for now. So you have the, I think this is the site map, so that displays you know, a literal map of the house. However, that's just a static map, so we don't need CGLU interaction for that. Down here, I think this is the sanity map, so that does need to interact with the CGLU. So Let me just put that, and then you did that in red. Let me do that too. There you go. So, okay. So for example, the sanity map, as well as the what are the other ones? The activity monitor, and then the sound monitor or something like that. Let me see. Let me just sound monitor, that's it. And I think that's all. Because we got the objective boards. I don't think, I mean, that does kind of need some CGLU interaction, I guess. So let's put that down then. Objective boards. Then we have the computer. So that just needs to display the video camera stuff. So computer. Like that. So we got the site map, but that doesn't need to interact with the CGLU, the sound monitor, set activity monitor, and the setup timer. We're not doing the setup timer. We got the door key, which I already showed. That's just a line going from the door to the truck. Equipment can be picked up from a wall rack. Yeah, that's the kit generation one. Okay, yeah, so the clipboards, but that's not really maps. Let me put that in as well. Clipboards. Okay, I can type today apparently. There you go. So let's see. So that is already like worked out enough. And for this and this. Kit gen. So that would be like something like that. Okay. So that's the truck done, I guess.
If I search up events, it doesn't even find ghost events. That's crazy.
Interesting.
I had to manually look for it. Hell no. Is it? Wait, no. A hunt is not a ghost event.
No. Okay. Ah, look at that. It's already quite a bit of planning done, I guess. Okay, is there anything else that I need to do?
You gotta go into more detail about that.
About what?
Oh, like, just- like what I'm doing.
What do you mean? Yeah, but there's nothing else on the truck that I can like write down, right?
Yeah, but you can do the player.
Okay. Player. Okay. So, door, room detectors to very specific.
Okay.
There we go. A life status. Life by default. Then there you go.
So like a life status, you don't have to like say alive by default. Like that's
No, but like
if it's obvious enough in the orange card, you don't have to
there.
make it more specific.
Dies if if
Are we also doing like are we also doing like how many times it used an ability, how many times it hunted, how many?
That's only very useful for the statistics screen, which I don't know
Yeah.
if we were planning on implementing that. I don't know, maybe. Might be fun. Might be a pain.
Not even on the wiki, bro.
Oh. What happened? Oh. How do you spot tarot cards again?
Under.
I got it. Tarot cards or monkey paw. Where's skull? There you go. Oh, that's on the wrong ones. I think that's that one. Okay, so rooms. It's kind of the same. So, okay, let's see. So we need like that. There we go. Mambo AFK. I see, I see. So this would be a 1 in 10 chance per room. And then like can change during the game. I need temperature management, so start of game, temp range generation, and then during the game, constant random temp in range. There we go. And then like influenced by freezing temps evidence. And then like room specific. So room stats. Okay, and then for equipment, it's like placed down and like states. Okay. So then there's events and Christmas sessions. So lights, flicker, color. Maybe something else, I don't know yet. For cursed possessions, we just need to know if actually we need to know so generates a random cursed possession at the start of the game. Possession at the start of the game. And then if the cursed possession is activated, check what cursed possession was chosen and execute its action. Then for room stats, is there anything more about that in this page? Number doors open. Open at start of game. Might be more. Okay, then there's just a little bit of this. shyness will be displayed on the map. So will the ghost type, I guess. And then, like... And then... Items... Its associated evidence will be stored at the start of the game to be used by like by other circuits. Okay. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. And these are pretty simple. They're all just boot activated with Gawk sensor. There you go. And some of them need a map. Like the Haunted Mirror. So this needs a map. And the Summoning Circle is lit with lighter. Okay, and then that one also needs a map. What else needs a map? The Ouija boards. It's 3, right? I think that should be in here, actually. Cards, mirror, Ouija board. Yep, okay. So yeah, that's fine, I think. And for EXP, objective tracker is just keeps track of the objectives and whether they are completed or not. And then of all the tasks. General general tracker, I think. Keeps track of general things, like if a player died and thus gets a 50% reduction. And things like if they guessed the ghost type correctly, etc. Okay. And then whether so it would be visual texture change of windows. Rain sound effects. Optional command block particles. Okay. I think that's the most planning done. Right? Yeah, I feel like that's most of the planning done. So, next up, we gotta wait for Mambo to get back, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I think we gotta wait for Mambo to get back before we start, like, planning it out more. Okay, I'm actually gonna do something that Mambo asked at the start of the stream. Because Mambo made this model for the tier 3 salt, but it needs to be transparent, so it needs to be rendered. For that, the item needs to be an item that uses a transparency shader, so that can be like any of the glass items. But those can be placed down, so the best option is a glass bottle here, I think. So let me get started by going here. And there should be able to create a glass bottle. Like that. Let's find it. There it is. I'm just gonna copy some of the iron nugget code, I think. If I can find where that is. Yep. Just gonna copy that. Paste it in there. Get rid of all of these. So you just need one. I can close this one. And I just need to replace this with glass bottle. And then this needs to be set to salt T3. So if I reload that. And then do... what was it again? I might have it here, yeah. There. Yep, okay, now it's transparent. There we go. See the difference here? So this one actually has the transparency shader. Still a little bit buggy. There's like a... I don't know if you can see. There's like a little strip missing here. I want to ask Mambo what that is. But yeah, at least that works now. So let me put that wherever the salt is. That's right here. Yeah, so we have the salt there. Then we have the tier 1 and the tier 2. There you go. Looking good. Is there any other models that we haven't put in these frames yet? I don't think so. I think we got all of them in already. Except for the thermometer, but that model is slightly broken. You cannot see it here at all. You can see it's like offset downwards. So, okay, let's see. I mean, I'm gonna put it in. We're not really gonna be able to see it very well. As you can see, it's like sticking out very weirdly. Yeah, these that's in now. Then we got the spirit boxes, the writing books, and then these aren't done yet. Okay. Okay, that's good. I mean, Mambo's still not back, so we could get started on a... We could get started on another model, maybe. Let me see what model would be best then. Let's see. Let's get the optional... I was thinking maybe we get the optional equipment done first. Let's see. We had... The options are the UV lights, the other tier thermometers, but those are... might be a bit tricky. You know what? I think tier 2 thermometer would look pretty cool if we do that one. Let's try that one. Gotta set this up real quick. Okay, this is not working for some reason. That's interesting. Window. There we go. And then... like that. Okay, there you go. And I can scale that up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I'm making a new model, and that would be the thermometer T2. Like that. Okay, let me get a reference picture. Tier 2. There it is. Okay, so let's get started, I guess. So I'm gonna get the handle in first. Okay, what am I doing? That is too big, I think. I can scale it down later. Let's see what the proportions are like. Actually, can I bring this file into Blockbench? I think I can. Let's see, I guess. Okay, so that file type just doesn't work. Okay. There you go. There it is. So, scale reference is...
This guy's really making models right now.
Yeah, but because you're not here.
Because there's Mambo AFK. What do you want?
I'm done with the stuff, so.
No way. What happened to ability?
There's nothing we can plan for that right now. Let's see, so we sticking out at the front and going at the back. Okay.
What are you? What model are you working on?
The tier 2 thermometer.
Mm.
I'm just blocking out the basic shape right now.
And you're like literally like fun using the reference. Perfect.
What? What?
Nothing.
I just want to get the shape right.
Uh-huh. In that case, I'm gonna fix the salt.
What's all? You mean making it transparent?
Hell no, I'm not doing that.
Because I did
No,
that already.
I mean like, um, making it bigger because it was tiny.
Hmm. I mean, because you're back now, we can just continue working, right?
Yeah, I know, but I still want to make it bigger. It's gonna take like 2 seconds.
Fair. All right.
Fix salt. Oh, should I also fix the thermometer?
If you want.
Because I'm deciding not to add the numbers.
Okay.
I've decided in my own head.
Okay. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna close this now because then we can
Save it.
yeah,
Save
I
it.
did. We can work on the stuff.
Yeah. I'm just quickly doing the thermometer. I mean, I guess you don't really care about how it looks in your hand, do you?
No, because you can't see it. I mean,
You can't see it in your hand.
you do for the salt, but not for the thermometer.
No, but I'm doing the thermometer anyway.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you were like talking about fixing the salts earlier.
I already fixed this up.
But you know, Mambo, when I'm done fixing the mod, you'll be able to add it into the pack yourself.
Fair. That's the
pretty
two
cool.
JSON files. I sent you over the two JSON files right now.
Okay.
Okay, wait. So, are you sure this is... Wait.
This is enough to get started, at least.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Let me see. There's no way we're not missing anything.
I mean, it's... Oh, okay, interesting. I think it's good enough. For
Okay.
now.
Okay. Okay, then, do we want to do the diagram in here, or do we want to do it?
Probably in-game is better.
Oh, fair. Okay. So,
Let's find a good spot
come
for
here.
it.
Just TP here. Let's just do it here.
Uh-huh.
So, assuming that the map is this way.
Uh-huh. Just like in this little diagram.
We would
Bro,
build it
look
here.
how tiny the bathroom was in this one. Hell nah.
Hell no. I wasn't having.
Look how small the oldest diagram was.
Look, there's no door here. Oh my.
I mean, there isn't a door here, there, so...
Yeah, but there is here.
Yeah, but that's like... not accurate, but that's fine.
Not 100% accurate. Not real.
I mean, you can remove the door itself. We'll just keep the lay there. Or just ping the block.
Actually, that might be a good idea. Because it would remove one interaction area and stuff.
Let me unbind that.
Bro, I can see it from here. What is this guy doing, bro?
Oh, wait, it ran just through my hand. That's
This is
interesting.
what I have to. This is what I have to deal with every day, bro.
I haven't used pings in a while. What do you mean?
Every day, bro. I have to deal with this shit. Do you understand? Do you understand my pain?
You don't
now?
have to deal with this every day. What do you mean?
Every fucking.
What is bro looking for?
I removed the door.
Did you lose your keys?
Bro. Should we make it like this?
No.
Okay, fine. It could
Redstone
kind of
okay.
track. If we made a half block there, then it could like track.
No.
Yes.
No.
But
No, it can't.
it's a little bit bigger. Like a wall. Yeah, a wall it would. Because it would be like close enough, right?
No, I
Whatever,
don't think
whatever.
so.
Yeah, I think
Because
so.
the
but
range is
whatever.
exactly a block.
Yeah, and then it would be
And-
one block left a little bit.
No,
And the player hitbox would be on the block.
because like it is a block
like, look.
wide, but it's in the middle of two blocks.
Yes, but look, if it's here, like if this is the LA, and the wall is here, like come on, tell me that's not close enough.
No, but the LA isn't there. The LA is...
In the middle of those two.
Yeah,
Well, that's still close enough.
that's not. The range is exactly a block.
But my hitbox is on the exact block, less
But
than
it's
one
not in
block
the
away.
middle of the block. Like,
Okay, my hitbox ends. Look, free display entity. Okay. If my hitbox ends.
like the LA range is this. So if your hitbox clips that, then it can detect you.
But what? There's no way it's that. I thought it was 2 blocks.
No, it's one block. The reason it works here is because the LA is in the center, and if there's blocks on either side, you're always going to be clipping that hitbox.
But this
See?
doesn't clip it. Oh, it does.
Yes, it does.
Bit. That's not the same.
So you need to put 2 lace in if you want to make it wider, and the redstone for that just doesn't fit. I tried. I tried. Well, I didn't try for long. I tried for like an hour. I couldn't. Didn't want to spend any more time on that. All right, let's do the layout.
I want to work on the ghost area.
The ghost area?
Mm-hmm. The ghost part.
Oh, the ghost part. Okay, yeah, sure. So that is all this.
Let's try and make it like a square. I didn't eyeball it. I didn't eyeball the square. Hell. Did I eyeball it this time?
Close enough.
There you go. You do the player.
Okay. Let me get the colors. There you go. So player logic. There you go. And then there's lines like going into the map. Like that. And that would be the room LA. Oh. There you go. Okay. There's not that much player logic, to be fair.
You have to put all the signs.
Mm-hmm.
Like, all the things in orange have to have a sign.
In orange?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Like, the sticky notes in orange.
All the oh, that. Okay, yeah. Okay, I didn't understand for a second. What color do I do for the truck? Like brown or something?
I know. Sure.
Truck is like... Logic is probably like off to the side somewhere. Because it's not that much, it's just the ownership.
Yeah, but the ownership might go back. I mean, the ownership has to go to the CGLU.
Yeah, I know.
That's it.
But the CGLU is what we're making, so... There you go. Transfer.
I mean, isn't there only one line for that?
Not really.
But like, you don't, I mean, it's like one thing. I mean, yes, there's more than one line, but you only need to represent it using one line.
Okay, sure.
Because like, why 3 instead of 1? Because it's also not 3, right?
Okay. Yeah, so what we're doing right now is we're planning out how the game logic is, what the layout of the game logic is gonna look like. So for anyone like tuning into the stream now, we have made this like general overview of like every like category of things that the game needs to manage, then all the like subcategories of things that needs to do, and then basically all the visual things that like, or like more of like what that encapsulates basically. So what we're doing right now is we're planning out where in the logic area all these should go. So right now, for example, the truck here, that is the brown area over here, because the truck just needs to send information about ownership over items. Over here we got the player logic, so anything based on like where they're located on the map and if they're alive, all that, what their sanity is. Oh, actually, that's one I haven't written down. Sanity. So let me make this a little bigger. There you go. It's like sanity.
Sanity should also go for player then.
It is in player.
Oh, you didn't put it in truck then?
No.
Are you
This is only
playing it
the
now?
sanity monitor that's in the truck.
Yeah, I know. But doesn't that count?
I mean, kind of, yeah. So there would be a line. I think there would be wool.
Don't all the monitors technically have to like count?
I guess.
Or like you could make it go directly to the map if you want instead.
Yeah, so basically what we're doing, we're making the entirety of Phasmophobia with redstone. So if you've ever played Phasmophobia before, you'll probably recognize this. This is the Willow Street map in Phasmophobia. So right now we're still kind of in the planning phase, so you'll see everything looks very basic. There's no like decorations and all. This is just mapping out the scale of it all and where everything should go. We already started doing like a little bit of the redstone, as you can see under here, but this is like very basic stuff.
The sync works.
Yo. Then over here we got like planning for all the equipment that's gonna go in the game. Well, this is just all the official equipment in the game, and with like information on how we're gonna make them. So like, for example, I can go to the motion sensor and I can go here and I can see, okay, so these are the items we're gonna use for them. You can see no player colors required and it's room specific. And then the green is if it's if we already picked a location for it in here. So this is like the area where the actual game is gonna go. But we already have some things that are already done. Like, for example, we got the lobby here, which is mostly complete, but we're not going to be showing that yet. And we got somewhere over here, we have this, which is the shop map, which is like the actual like screen where you can go in and buy items. And this already works, sort of. If I go here and do that real quick. Let me see if this... Yeah. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You got this entire interface. And say I want to select this salt over here. That would be... there. Let me... do that. So... that. So if we look here, you see that we can already select the salt can here, for example. And we can even swap to this mode. Like that. And now we're in the shop mode. So now we can see the prices of all the items. So like how expensive they are. I mean, you can select it the same, and then you can click this to buy them. So yeah, we already did that. That was not what I wanted to do. There you go. So already made the shop map. But yeah, right now we need to prepare for making, you know, the house itself. So what we're just doing right now is over here we got a little basic schematic of the house. And then over here we have the logic units, which we're planning out. So this is where all the game processing is going to work. So this purple here, we have this color mapping chart. So purple is the player logic. So anything to do with the player is going to be handled in the purple area. And an example of this is, for example, if I'm a player walking around this house, of course, it's not very possible with redstone to track exactly where a player is. So it's really hard to know if the player is standing on this block exactly, for example. However, what we can do is we can put a detector at every entrance and exit to a room. So we can detect if the player is going from this room into this room. And then we can store that the player's now in this room. And then if they go into the garage, then we can store that they're now in the garage. And so all the little detectors are going to send their data here over these lines. Those are going to go into here in the like the player region. And that's going to store... For every player, it's going to store what room they're in. That's the one example of the player logic. And then some other stuff is like the sanity of the player. And then if we look in the thing here, some other stuff like equipment ownership. That is the little line here that goes to the truck, because ownership is handled by the truck. We worked on that last stream. We made this system here where players can basically transfer, so basically they can share items with each other pretty much. And all these lines over here, those are the ownership transfer lines. And that is represented by this line right here. So everything, oh no, wait, it's this line actually, sorry. That's the sanity line. So we're basically just planning out the general layout of what this logic unit's going to look like, because we want all the logic to be like together. So the distance that the lines have to be, the length of the lines, so the distance the signals have to travel is as short as possible. But to do that, we want to, and we also want to group things together as much as possible. So anything player related, we want to group that in like one area. anything ghost related, we want to group that in an area. So that's what we're doing now. We're just grouping everything and wiring like everything out, so we can get a basic overview of how it should look when we're done with this system. Okay, so I was working on the player one, and I did the location and the sanity and the ownership. Oh, I kind of did the ownership. It's mostly like in a little area here, probably, for the ownership.
Can you make all the signs face this way?
Yes.
East. Except maybe like transfer lines, it's fine. And then maybe place it like bottom left corner.
Bottom left corner. Okay. So this would be like, these are like, this would be the player location, processing and storage. Bottom left corner. Okay, do it again. Thank you. Wait, let me just grab them as well, then you don't have to...
Use that MBT, use that MBT.
Ah, okay, sure. Okay, and then this area would be the final one, which is the alive status. Like that. Let's put that on the line below. There we go. That looks good for the player stuff. Bro, why does yours look like a creature? I don't know why I see a creature in this. Like, this kind of looks like a head. And then, like...
It's a Martian, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta be inclusive.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Rooms. For rooms, I'm probably just gonna do, like... Probably just gonna use, like, orange or something. No, not orange. Maybe, like, blue. I mean, actually, rooms can probably be, like, off to the side here. Because most of the room stuff only needs to happen at the start of the game.
Like room gen, kind of like.
Yeah. And then, like, bone picked up status, that doesn't need to be fast at all, so that can be inefficiently wired. And then interactions are gonna be handled mostly by the ghost circuit anyway.
Put it back here then.
Where? Oh yeah, okay. I mean, we can also put it to the side of the house. But, yeah.
Nah.
Like, if space is, like, a bit weird, we can wrap the CGLU around the house.
I know, but, like, put it back here for now.
Okay.
We can always put other things at the side of the house.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, let's see what we have to do. First of all is ghost room. That's really simple. Be so ghost room gen. That one's really simple. Then we got number of doors open, which is also really simple. Then the bone location, which is two things. It's bone location and bone, I guess. I'm gonna put like event controls.
Wait, room gen is a bit more than what you have because they can also change like favorite room.
I know.
So it's not just the randomizer.
Well, it still is, but
So if it's light flicker.
What?
Light flicker might want to be closer.
Fair.
This is how they become creatures, bro. You understand how they become creatures?
How would it become what?
Look, they're becoming creatures.
Oh, yeah. Why does that look like a what's it called? Like uh bro. Like a caterpillar.
Okay.
Why does this look like the blue circuit? Or like a snail. Like a really weird snail. Interesting. Okay, okay. Hmm.
What the fuck? I just got the weirdest bug ever.
What happened?
I copied the NBT of a sign and just didn't copy, and then I removed the character from it, and then I copied.
Interesting.
You understand how they turn to creatures now?
Mm-hmm.
creature.
Mm-hmm. It just looks like a blob.
Bro.
Why does it
Everything
kind of
looks like a
resemble an
blob
iron
if you
golem,
wanted
though?
to.
Why
Everything
does
looks
it
like
kind
a
of
blob.
resemble an iron golem, though?
Bruh. Ain't no way, bro. Where
Like,
the fuck do you see the iron golem, bro?
they're red and light blue combined. Like, come on.
Oh, you mean... I look like a robot.
Yeah, like, look, like, you don't see the striking resemblance?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe not the head, but definitely the red, like the body. Bro's already beating up an iron golem with his fist.
Wait, I have an idea. This will beat him.
Okay,
Wrong one.
bro.
Ah, it's too slow.
I got 5
Wait.
iron ingots.
I have a thing 500. I think.
Oh, okay.
Wait, no, I don't. Actually, that doesn't make sense because it doesn't get affected. Never mind.
Then I just got really lucky.
Detect.
Uh-huh.
Drink this. That's good for you.
Oh!
Why did you have to jump?
Oh my god, I'm zooming!
Even the Stone of Goodness cannot one-shot an iron golem.
Okay.
Well, that can one-shot. Wait. You wanna hold some totems real quick?
No. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna quickly type a command and says command block.
Uh-oh.
Don't open it.
I won't.
Better not. It's a very bad idea if you do. Why did it only now do the jump on your stream? What the hell is this today?
Yeah, I mean...
Oh, you're jumping more than once. Oh, okay. What is this?
What? Oh. You said event controls should be closer to the map.
Oh yeah, but wouldn't that count as an interaction? In events?
I mean, we could just move, like, all the interaction event stuff to, like, the ghosts area.
It's already there, though.
Yeah, but, like, it's you also put it in the rooms one.
No, you did
so-
that. I didn't touch the room stuff.
You sure?
Yeah.
I mean, like, I
Oh
know.
wait,
put
no,
the
I
red
know
one.
why I touched that. I was talking about, like, fingerprint storing and stuff. That's not...
Why?
That wasn't about lights flickering.
Well, why do we need to store fingerprints though?
I don't know.
Because can't
But I swear...
can't the circuit in the room just do that?
Yeah, fair.
Yeah,
It's
then you
not-
can get rid of this. There you go.
Would you please write all the first object names by hand right here?
What? Where?
Here.
Oh hell nah.
I added one too many.
Okay.
By memory, bro. By memory.
My memory?
Let me see it. You write down the second line.
Bro, don't complain now. You're making me do this.
No. Wait, what crits possession, Jen? D in crits possession area now? Oh, wait, I understand why you put this here.
Then what else was there? Monkey paw. Oh, there you go. Did them all. By memory.
Good job.
Bro's routing like he's engineering a like piping.
Kind of bad though.
Okay, what else is there?
Many things.
The XP.
But it's this.
What?
It's this thing.
Oh. Oh, okay.
The monster world.
Okay.
Does anybody understand what's going on right now?
I mean, I explained what we're doing.
Wait, if you place that sign down, I mean, it's still
Why?
because there's no other sticky note.
Okay.
Wait, that seems oddly simple. That seems weirdly simple.
The CGLU?
Yeah.
I mean, there's like circuits that like connect them that are complicated.
Yeah, but
It's not like this is all the circuits, it's just the layouts. Like,
it doesn't seem like that much. Is what I mean.
no, but it's because the logic is complex and like really complicated to implement. It's just that we got the layout done.
Yeah, but it's not that much. Is what I mean.
It is like it's more than the Among Us project.
Is it? Yeah.
It is. This is not the actual scale of it, you know? I'm guessing it's gonna be 4 times bigger than this. In volume.
I think it's gonna be bigger than 4 times. But okay.
Yeah. So then that's not that so why is that not that much?
It isn't, bro.
It is. What do you mean?
It just isn't.
Bro is delusional.
I'm delusional?
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's more than you know the Among Us project took over a year.
Yeah.
And then this is more. And bro's like, nah, it's not that much.
It's not that much. Thanks. I can kill them uploaders. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I killed them uploaders.
I see that.
Who's gonna find it first?
I mean, I flew the wrong way, but I found it anyway. So.
What are you? You're slow.
I went to the map by instinct.
Hmm?
No, I went to like the house.
Yeah. That's, how
It
are
was
we
like
not missing anything?
it's like we always go to the house.
How are we not missing anything?
What do you mean?
Are we missing anything?
No, probably not.
I mean that's no. I think probably not. It's unlikely, but I think we are definitely missing something.
I mean,
I'm not saying that has to be major, just something.
I guess definitely, but
Oh, now you said definitely, but okay.
yeah, but something small, like most definitely.
Uh-huh.
You remember the oh, it will be a very short debugging session from the Among Us game where we actually added half the circuitry.
It will only take a week or so.
No, but like, yeah, we're pretty much done. Let's start debugging, and actually, we made like half the stuff.
Yeah, maybe not half, but like a good amount.
Mm-hmm.
Let's fix wire task.
2 weeks later.
Remember how, imagine if the Among Us game was fast and you get all your tasks quickly after, because like imagine not having to wait 50 seconds for the task to actually complete.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it didn't take that long for it to complete, whatever.
Yeah. True. True. Okay. Yeah, I think that's mostly it for the planning, right?
I mean, planning's been going on for so long.
No, but like, I meant like the layouts planning.
Oh, yeah. How are we still not? We have to be close to finishing planning this. Like, there's just no way. It's been so long. There's just no way we're still not done planning. Like, you can show them the spreadsheet if you want.
Yeah, I will. But like, Mambo, keep in mind, if we were to do the same approach we did on the Among Us project, we would have started like a month ago, but we would spend 5 additional months debugging.
Fair. That's fair.
So, you know, relatively speaking, we saved ourselves 4 months of work. Like, I obviously don't have the exact numbers, but like,
Wait,
if we had
shouldn't there be
planned,
like equipment somewhere inside the?
inside what?
In here.
In the player stuff?
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of here for ownership transfer and then ownership handling.
Does that count?
So we could just make that bigger and then just instead of ownership handling, just do like equipment handling.
Yes. That's fair.
Because ownership isn't that big of a like circuit.
Yeah. Okay. I feel like it's also set up in a way that's like fast to communicate.
Uh-huh.
Because we got ghost and player closest. Then curse possession above because like some of it is fast.
Yeah.
Then we got the room gen behind. We got EXP, which is like less important behind. And we got weather control, which is like in the backpack. It does look pretty good.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to just show them the spreadsheet real quick. I've shown them the spreadsheet before. I just wanted to show it again. So we got the main page. So in here we got a little to-do list. This is like, we don't use this to-do list often because most of the time when we have something to do, we just do it right away. General links. And then over here, this is the good part. We have the, like, every single thing in the game. So all the maps, all the items, all the events, interactions, everything is listed here. If they're in green, that means we're doing them. If they're in red, that means we're not doing them. Orange is that we're not sure if we're doing it, and yellow is partially doing. And then we got the difficulty of it and the progress of it. So you'll see for progress, most of it is in like red or orange, because we're either like just barely got started with it, or we haven't started with it at all.
And blue is like, I mean, there's green for fully finished, fully wired. Blue means needs wiring, and yellow means like a bit left. That's for the progress section. There's a
you can see that here. And then if we go to the ghost section, this page isn't fully done. As you can see, there's some rows missing. I'll work on this a little bit later, but this is basically just a list of all the ghosts with their strengths and weaknesses, basically their abilities, and then how we're going to be implementing those strengths and weaknesses. And then over here we got equipment. This is just a list of the equipments that we're doing. Then the experience stuff. This is like all the levels and like total accumulated experience you need to unlock every single item and map. Of course, we're not doing all the maps, but we are doing all the items except for the headgear and tripod.
Because those are not needed.
Yeah, because those are not needed. And then over here, you just got like the formula to calculate experience, and then like some reward, like the rewards experience.
Was your stream clipping the bottom a little bit?
Is it?
Did you not see the colors of the?
Oh yeah, I mean that's because of the Windows bar at the bottom.
Oh,
It's cut off a little.
okay.
Then this is the maps. So this is basically like all the not like all the houses maps, but like the in-game maps. So it's like these maps.
No, it's just all the maps. I think in the end. Yeah, it's just all the
Just
maps.
these maps. Then we got the ghost maps. That's what the ghost holds, and like all these other like equipment pieces that require a map, like what type they are. So equipment, ghost only, curse possession, van screen, and lobby screens. The description, which is not done for all of them. The total amount of them that are going to be in the game, so that means we need 19 displays, map displays. Some additional notes. This actually is no longer relevant. And then over here we have static dynamic. It's just static just means we just need to create the map, and it doesn't need to be loaded in at all. There don't need to be any bots. There doesn't need to be any redstone. It's just a static image. And then dynamic means that it needs to be visually controllable by redstone, meaning there needs to be bots to load it, and redstone to actually modify it. Then events. This was never finished, and it's also like.
What's the events?
It was just an idea I had of like describing everything that happened in the game, so it would be like easier to wire. But like, it would just take so long to like write everything out, and we can also just like do the wiring like from memory and like by looking at the circuits, so it's not needed. CGLU, that's the that's what we're
Can I
currently
just
working
remove
on.
it then? Can I remove it?
Yeah, go ahead. Then we got this is what we're currently working on. So we got the planning on the Miro board here, and then the planning in game, which we just did. Overall gen, this is just the generation that needs to happen at the start of every game. So it needs to in order as well. So it can generate the ghost type, gender, shyness, and age at the same time. We made a circuit for that, or just showed off one of the circuits for that in one of the first streams we did on this project. Then the name and surname can be generated right after. This is something else that we'll explain a little bit later in the development process. Then we got the ghost room and the weather, as well as the temperature range, bone, cursed object, and the doors open. So it's just everything that needs to be randomly generated and in what order that needs to happen. And if there are multiple next to each other, those can be generated at the exact same time. And then, you know, that's just, I don't know about that's in the overall gen area, but then sound effects and visual effects. This is just a list of all the, you know, sound effects. So over here, this is not done yet. But yeah, it's just a list of names of sound effects.
Shaking his boots right now.
With if there are like dynamic meaning they're like speed and duration can be modified. And then in the house is just if it's in the house or not. So for example, the truck opening and closing can only be heard from like a very short range around the truck, so that's outside, so it's not in a house. And then we need to still do things like range, duration, and all that other stuff.
Great description. Then, all that others.
I don't know, down here is visual effects, but that still needs to be like fully done. And then playthrough people is just a list of people we have confirmed that want to be.
I mean, confirmed.
Well, semi-confirmed. To be that want to be in the video whenever it comes out. Whenever we get to like the playthroughs, then they'll be interested in playing for the video. So that is the entire spreadsheet. So that's like so much planning that we've done, and that's on top of like all the planning we've done in game. Like we did this map, or like this not map, but like this little layout really early on, as well as this for the basement. We did like some planning here. We did this planning just now. This took a really long time to plan out. We did this entire thing. There's just been a lot of, I mean, I would have to set up another screen to do that, so I don't want to do that. But I have a lot of like, just images with drawings of ideas of how we could like handle certain stuff. And there's also just recordings of me and Mambo just like
spending 5 hours talking about
spending 5 hours like discussing how we're going to do a certain thing.
Ghosts.
So yeah, the planning phase has been going on for when did we start actually?
End of start of December, end of November. And no, mid December.
Let me check. Okay.
36.5 days.
So we started 2 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's quite a while ago.
The dumb thing right now is I still don't know that much about ghost ability, so I still suck at the game.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. I think that's been enough planning for today.
Yes.
Kind of tired of planning now.
Okay.
And we've been streaming for 2.5 hours, so I mean.
Wait, guys, you want to see how bad we are at GeoGuessr?
Oh yeah. Let's do like a couple rounds of GeoGuessr and then we'll round up the stream. Does that sound good?
There's nobody in the stream.
No, but like I was asking you.
Yeah, me. It sounds good.
Okay.
Are we streaming tomorrow?
No, I'm not home tomorrow.
Okay. Are you not home?
No,
The entire day?
most of the day.
And then Sunday?
I'll be home Sunday, so.
Okay. I mean, if tomorrow you're on a little bit, we can finish up the sound effects stuff.
True. Alright, join the party.
I'm already in the party.
Yeah, I know, but like, you weren't there.
Okay, Mom. I know where this is. Germany.
Okay,
Berlin.
Bro. Okay,
Berlin.
it's still on no move. Huh.
What if? Why can I not? Why do I not understand this language? What's going through your head right now?
Thoughts.
Thoughts? Cool.
Thoughts.
Unironically, it could be here.
I have 3 options.
You already
And
guessed.
they're really
right?
close together.
Okay, well.
Okay.
No.
Well, it wasn't one of the 3, but yeah, okay.
What was it? Denmark, Finland, Sweden?
Denmark, Finland, Sweden. But it was Norway.
Just wrong. Why do we spawn on the rail track? Guy.
I don't know.
There's 2 options here. Number 1, Donald Trump war. First option. Second option is another country. Can I read that? I can't read that.
Could this ever be up here?
Oh.
Or maybe a bit lower, actually.
Guys, I got the
No, I
country
got it.
right.
Oh, I
Yeah.
just about got the country right.
This guy. Guys, don't panic. Cause I know.
But what is this?
He doesn't know. You might want to rename the stream eventually. Was that right?
I thought about it.
How is that Philly, bro?
I thought about it.
Okay, I'm close here. How was I supposed to know we were driving right? It was like thin road, you know.
Everything is stunning me.
Everything is going what?
Everything telling me it's this one town.
You know the town?
No. Of course not. Not crazy.
I mean,
actually,
not crazy.
I'm not so sure about that, actually, now that I think about it.
I bet it's here. Watch.
It was really north.
Look at this guy going Oslo on that, bro.
No, I was on a different city at first, but like
Oslo, bro. Oslo.
bro, it had water on the south.
Oslo.
There weren't that many like towns that had water on the south.
All towns have water on the south.
No, they don't.
Okay, maybe not. Wait, I feel like I should know this.
I don't know.
Wait.
Okay.
What if it's ever here? Actually,
Okay.
I thought about it. You know,
I didn't.
that crossed my mind. I was like, it could be, but then I just didn't trust it.
You wanna absolutely destroy some kids in
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, we're great at this game.
Oh.
Not on stream, guys. Not on stream.
Okay.
I still don't have sounds, bro. Oh, we can move.
Oh, that's interesting.
Is it ever the car? No. That's how it's called? Oh, I'm right. Never mind, that is Arabic.
Yep. Wait, was there like a name on there? Like just that tickets.
Oh, it has to be Tunisia. They're speaking French as well. Right?
Oh
Maybe
yeah.
not.
I mean,
Maybe not.
I don't
Maybe
know.
you go UAE just in case, like. Might
Sure.
as well. Do you want to guess UAE? Okay.
Oh, it's Tunis.
This road. I know it's that road right there.
It was literally central Tunis.
I moved off it, bro. Oh, you meant... I thought you said Tunisia, not
No, Tunis.
My bad, bro, my bad. This
Oh,
has
it's
to be
French.
French.
It's
It's not like if I
it's
speak the
Canada.
language. Oh, fair based.
It has to
I
be.
wish. This is not. This can never be like France, like obviously. Not
No,
even
of
EU
course
plates, right? So I'm
Nice.
closer.
Nice.
Toronto with French. Yes, guys. Keep it up. Toronto with French. Let's go.
Yep. Yeah.
What the? How did he send that many at the same time?
Was using why? What is that? What is his name?
I don't want to know. Dot. Is this Canada again, bro?
It could be.
It said .ca.
It's definitely in America, so
I mean, America, Canada is not the same, bro.
it's kilometers an hour. No, but what do you mean? It's the same.
Wait, I didn't. I clicked Toronto, bro. I didn't click Ottawa, bro.
Bro, I didn't
Bro,
say
shut
United.
up!
Bro,
Bro,
I didn't
shut
say.
up!
I didn't say United States. I said America.
Bro, shut up! Not you, him. This is Indian.
Mhm.
Watch. It actually does look more like Indian than Bangladesh. Wait, what if it's Bangladesh? Maybe you go
tell me.
Bangladesh. Maybe you go Bangladesh, bro. Go, Dhaka. Go Dhaka.
Okay. How did
Oh, bro, he knew the language, bro.
But why did he go there?
Cause like, why not? It's not a big city.
Huh.
Okay, 5 EU,
Finland.
Finland. Guess. Yeah, you got no typo.
I mean, now it's just lucky. Lucky
Oh, FI
spawn.
is crazy.
Lucky spawn. Nice. Oh, they're dead. Oh no, never mind. Oh, okay.
Bro.
The emoji. bro. Oh, we gotta not lose now.
Lock in.
That's Cyrillic.
This is a country.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know. No, I was gonna click back there. It's fine. That shouldn't be that much.
What did you say?
I was gonna click there.
No, but like you said, I don't think it's gonna be that much. Oh no. Manila, where's that?
Manila, bro. Manila.
Where's that?
It's
Oh, there. Okay.
Wait, go where there's like a lot of streets. That's fine.
Yo!
Guys, with English. With English, bro.
Nice.
okay, I'll stop. With English. That sounds French.
Yeah, it really does. It's Canada again.
It says it's New Zealand. .nz.
New
Dot
Zealand?
co dot
Then it's not French, right?
No, I said that sounds French. I didn't say it was.
Oh, yeah.
I said
Oh,
it
yeah,
sounds. It's also probably like, I don't know, but it's New Zealand. Wellington, just go Wellington. Yeah, I'll stop.
Bro.
I won't stop. Don't look at chat. Don't look in chat, bro.
Why is that emoji so funny though? Okay, bro. We weren't even the closest.
I said mind blown. I said mind blown smile,
And you
bro.
smiled. Like,
What's wrong? Can I not smile?
You can. It's just. Okay. Where's this?
Can't read. Can't move. Can't see shit.
Bro.
Somewhere.
Oh,
Nah, 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 nah. Nah. You just clicked randomly.
I was kind of scanning for like what could it be?
That was my second option, but I just couldn't find a police car. Is that green flag?
Maybe.
Maybe go phase that thing, not phase.
Yeah, it is.
It's Greece. Go there.
Oh. Okay.
Guys.
Guys, like.
It's gonna car. Watch this.
Mambo, are you sure it's not Reunion?
Bro, it's a Gana car. I can literally see it from the front, bro.
Yeah, but
I don't even have to move. Like the front part is like always the Gana car. They're gonna know. Okay, that one deserves this. That one deserves this.
Bro.
They won Ghana all night. I thought they would know. I didn't mean to pressure them like that. But you know what that deserves? Mind blown.
Yeah. We are making phasmophobia Minecraft with redstone, but
Yes,
we're taking a geoguessr break right now.
I mean, we're not going to go back to it.
We've been planning the redstone out for 2 months now, including the entirety of the stream. So I want to take a quick break. Okay, this is just
Colombia.
It's Colombia.
Wait, no, it's not. That's
You sure?
That's English.
Oh yeah. Wait. Okay. Wait. Then it's
Kenya.
possible.
Possible. It's possible.
Possibly.
I thought actually it might be. I'm sending Kenya.
Okay.
Cause like English plus like they're African plus it's in plus it looks African plus you know like it just is.
Nice.
No. Stop signs. Yeah.
I got better. Wait, wasn't
That's
that
Denmark.
Yeah, that was. Nah, is it?
There's a A with a like dot thing
Where? Oh yeah.
on a sign.
True. Bro, these houses look so much like Norway. Bro. Okay,
Then go
just
Norway.
guess. Just guess.
Wait, there's water northwest.
Okay.
I don't know, bro. You're gonna have to figure it out. Water northwest.
I got it.
That's not water northwest, bro.
What?
That's not water northwest.
It is.
Oh. That's water northwest.
I
Wait, they 5K'd it. They 5K'd it. No, bro. My God, bro. What's it?
You.
Good job.
Yeah, I'm good like that. Yo, it's this guy.
It's Bulgaria.
I've seen this guy before. Oh yeah, it is definitely.
Guys, is it Bulgaria? Watch.
Nice.
I played games before. Yeah, give us that 1 point. Give us.
Yeah.
Give that this. Carrying you right now. I'm joking. I'm joking. Or no. .sk. Driving right in EU. Slovakia.
Yes.
Guess.
Let's go.
I'm trying to scan for the city, but I clearly can't.
Wait, I'm really close. There's a sign. There's an airport on the side. Yeah.
Bro, how the hell are they like so close every time?
These kids are good.
Yes. So we got lucky
Green
to guess that this is Sweden.
Sweden.
That's my guess.
Uh,
Do you see it? You see the vision? Okay, maybe not. I kind of starting to disagree with my own vision right now.
I mean, it could be.
That's
Why are some plates like green though?
yeah, exactly. Cause it's Sweden. I've seen that in Sweden.
Okay, I'm just setting Sweden then.
I want to find more language. Okay, well that makes sense too. There's like 4 on the pedestrian sign, so I'm just at this point. I'm just guessing Sweden, bro.
Okay.
No. Why are they this good? How are they guessing the exact city every time too, bro?
I don't know.
They're bronze! They're smurfing! UAE. Watch.
Maybe. I mean,
That or Rwanda. But we're driving left. Wait, what? We're driving left? No, we're driving right. No, we're driving left. Wait, are we driving left?
I think we're driving right, but
Oh, we're driving right. Oh, no, we're driving left.
I'm confused. Oh yeah, we are driving left.
So it can be Rwanda. So thus it's Qatar or UAE. And thus you would go UAE. And thus it's Dubai.
Oh, okay.
See that logic? Okay, it's not Dubai though. I think it's actually Qatar, but shush.
What should be Abu Dhabi? Okay.
Yo, bro. Yo. I'm quitting this game. How is... Oh, that's why we're driving left. That makes sense.
Okay. Let's go
That
back
makes
to
more sense why we're driving. Yeah, I was like driving left in UAE also doesn't make sense, but like... I couldn't.
Yeah.
I got stuck on the black and white of like the I forgot what it's called. They're like black and white like bumps on the side.
Yeah.
Wait, go. Join, please.
No, but I think we should stop the stream now.
Wait, rush round.
Okay. Well, we can do one
Okay.
off stream too.
I mean, does it change anything? I don't know.
Kinda, but you know.
Sure, fair, but like, I don't know. Wait, why are we playing against Gold 3, bro?
Oh hell nah.
Bro, what the hell is this?
We're dead.
We done.
Is this ever like?
Guys, please.
Is this ever Greece or something?
Yeah, probably actually. Maybe they're playing so badly that they're like playing at our level now.
Because it couldn't be Spain, right?
I don't know any language.
I haven't found any language.
I found Greek.
Oh, then my first guess was probably right. Wait, that's not Greek, though.
I found. This is Greece, bro. Come on,
Yeah, I mean, that was my first thought, so...
go with it.
Okay. Probably, like, around here, because there's water north. Actually... Depends on how big the gap is. It's probably, like, around here.
We have mountains plus water north.
Here, maybe?
So mountains all around
One
us.
of these cities, maybe?
With water north.
Yeah, with like land like on the other side. So I'm guessing it's like around here.
Yeah, go ahead. Mountains all around us. Land on the earth.
Okay, so let's see. I mean, close enough.
We're closer though. So.
Close enough. Yep, that's good.
We want one round at least, you know.
This is Norway.
Wait, these borders look like Sweden.
That splits.
No, bro, it's Sweden. I didn't go off the borders actually. I went off the lines,
Oh.
the road lines.
Okay, I mean it could be.
I mean, what if you just go here? Is it that bad?
Okay.
Wait, will you have been closer?
Yep.
Bro. But it's not the right country, so it doesn't mean the same thing.
Fair.
Why are these like harder rounds though?
Wait, but these guys are gold. They're ass.
What do you mean?
We were closer.
I mean on both, but like maybe.
But they're gold.
Huh?
But they are gold.
Yeah, but like maybe gold is worse.
It's not.
Somewhere in South America. Bolivia.
No, I just clicked in South America.
And it looks like Gentry. What's the
Wait,
hemisphere?
is it Rio? It says Rio on the sign.
But Rio is Rio de Janeiro. Like, I wouldn't trust that. But it could be. Wait, actually, these trees could be Brazilian. I see it. Yeah, Rio makes sense.
Anyway, let me look for language. Are these kids like trying to play it NMPZ or something? What's taking them so long?
They're gold tree. That's what's taking them so long. They're coping with their losses. I think this pole is actually a Brazilian pole. Unironically.
I mean, the vegetation looks like Brazil.
Yeah. You want to go Brazil then?
Let's send Brazil.
With water. West.
West, you say?
Water. Like, not much. Just like a kind of pond. Oh, they were about to guess too.
I see.
Wait, actually, no, it's
Okay.
not Brazil.
I mean,
It's not Brazil. I just realized the language is Spanish.
fair.
I don't know if we would have gotten closer. Because, like, that was a hard Ecuador. Chile, ever? No, never mind. These trees don't look like Chile.
This looks more like...
You gotta finish your
kinda
sentence. Looks like kind of.
Does this look like something like down here, like south, like Europe?
It's not Turkey.
Probably not, but
It's 2 months. Oh, you mean like maybe like some Switzerland stuff?
I don't know. I think it's just like anywhere like South Europe. I'm sending like very North Greece.
Sure. I can't get out of my idea of it being Chile, so I'm going to Los Angeles.
I mean, I can't really tell the hemisphere easily, so...
You can't, I don't think on this.
Okay, I mean...
Wait, was there rifts? No.
No.
Oh, see, he also went Chile. So how bad can my guess really be, you know? Why are these like actually harder rounds, right? You agree?
Uh-huh.
This is South Hemisphere. English? South Hemisphere?
Yeah.
Australia?
Wait, is that... Am I tripping or is there a blue... No, never mind.
Build your...
Okay, so
is this
South
just Australia?
Hemisphere, like... Metro Police.
I think this is Perth, if I remember. Somewhere outside of Perth. Down here. Wait, you sure it's all English?
I haven't found anything that's not English.
Wait, driving left. What if it's not Australia and it's South Africa?
I mean, it really looks like Australia, though.
Yeah, but I haven't found anything that's convincing enough.
There.
And the people here look more African. Also, this gives me more South Africa.
Yeah, I'll go South Africa.
These trees and that. It's kind of a hard one now. Why are these are harder than usual. This is. Right? You would agree this is harder than usual.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Wait, does South Africa have inner yellow lines again?
Bro, I don't know.
How am I moving so slow here?
I think it's... like...
Rescue SA vote. Rescue SA like South Africa.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's Africa. 'Cause there was like a picture of the African continent.
Not
South
Cape Town.
Africa
Wait,
would make sense.
what if it's Cape Town? No, why did I move off it? No! No! No, why did I move off it? I felt like the spread could have been better if I went Cape Town, but it was not. Is this Brazil? Wait, no. Wait, yes. I'm not. I don't know.
Maybe.
I'm not used to this hard of rounds. Cherry trees. Do they have cherry trees in Brazil?
It could be Brazil.
I find language.
That pole is found in Brazil, so...
And these trees as well. And then it's bricks. So like... It's kind of relaxed red soily, so it's probably not up here. I don't think it's that high up. I don't know. Wait, no, you guys... Okay. I mean...
It's not around any sort of village, I think. So I've been going in a straight line for this entire time, and I haven't found a single building.
Yeah.
Okay, it was... Argentina.
Argentina. Also, why is he guessing in a part of Brazil that barely has coverage? Like very north Brazil is like no coverage. This is South Hemisphere?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's... what is it called? South Africa again.
I think it is, because like it's English, it looks very dry, southern hemisphere. I think it's like a small town, like somewhere.
I think it's Botswana. No. I mean, he went Cape Town on it. How are they gold 2? Gold 3?
Yeah, that's what that's what I was asking. Like,
That's Cyrillic. Wait, this is the Mongolian car! Yay, finally we got a Mongolia, bro. I'm so happy. Wait, what if it's Kazakhstan? Or Kyrgyzstan? Wait, no. Kazakhstan could be fine. But this looks like Mongolian cameras, doesn't it? I don't know. Yay!
Nice.
Finally got a Mongolia. Finally we got a Mongolia.
it's Spanish. Alright.
Spanish or English? No, it's English or Spanish. I fucked it up, bro. Oh my God.
It could. I mean, this could be Spanish.
It could be. But it also could be Portuguese. Right?
Rio San
haven't-
Pedro.
Pedro I'm pretty sure is also in Portuguese. Like it means like brother. I think it actually is Portuguese because it would be like hermano in Spanish, right?
Uh-huh. No, but
What do you think about the utility
no, but
poles here?
yeah, no, but there's a Y though, so it's Spanish.
Is it like wait, read it?
Atractivos y actividades.
Okay, yeah, that would be like the end. Okay, so it is Spanish.
But it says bienvenidos, so like
Yeah, that's fine.
welcome.
Why is there not a Google car behind a Google car?
And then it's like Rio San Pedro, so that's like the place.
Wait, say that again. Bienvenido
Rio San
de.
Pedro.
I see. I mean, yeah, but Rio could be like Argentina, maybe.
Yes, it's not Brazil.
Wait, it looks to be North Hemisphere. What do you think?
Yeah, likely.
So maybe it's Mexico, and it's Jan 4, so it's definitely not Guate. It could be Puerto Rico, or up here in Mexico.
Uh-huh.
Like near water. Like some of these. What did you say was the time name again?
Rio San Pedro.
Okay. Wait, it's an A-pole though. Concrete A-pole. I think go Puerto Rico, honestly. Yay!
Nice.
Let's go. Perth. Wait, this is Australia, but not Perth. I don't know
Yep.
if it's Perth.
Douglas
100%.
Daly.
Give way.
Pine
Give way is
Creek.
Australian, and then the
The
borders are
Red
Australian.
Roads, Pine Douglas Daly Creek region.
Okay, now we just need to know the region.
Would it be Port Douglas then?
I don't know what that is.
It's like up here.
What did he say? What's the name?
The Rat Road, Pine Douglas Daly Creek region.
Maybe. That would work. That would work, I guess. Yeah, it would work.
I want to look around to see if there's anything else.
I know. Let me see these plates real quick.
Descending.
Yeah, I think it makes sense. Yellow plate there makes sense. Should I go like Perth just in case? I guess Perth's dry
Yeah,
enough.
to spread. I couldn't find anywhere else, like... Okay.
Nice. We won against gold trees, bro. We should get extra points.
Mm-hmm. We went
We
off
won
a
against
place
gold.
because of that.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, that was a good round.
It was.
That was 20 minutes.
Alright. Yeah, that was a 3-hour stream.
Yeah.
Alright. Well. Thank you for checking out the stream. Hanging out with us when while planning.
No, we hated you. Why did you
CGLU.
even come here? Okay.
We'll have the server. Okay. Alright. We'll see you in the
Create
next
device.
stream, probably in like 1 or 2 weeks.
Yes.